I met one of them who seemed to me at all clear-sighted. Clear-sighted means intelligent. I tried the experiment of showing him my drawing number 1, which I have always kept. I would try to find out if this person was of true understanding. But whoever it was, he or she would always say this is a hat. So what he is saying, that whomever I met and I felt that yes, this person is a bit intelligent, I tried to show him the picture, my first drawing, that of a boa constrictor swallowing the elephant. But still that person always recognized that drawing as a hat. So finally what he decided? Then I would never talk to that person about boa constrictors or primeval forests or stars. So finally he decided not to speak about the boa constrictors, about the primeval ages, or about the nature stars to them. I would bring myself down to his level. So he also became like them. He tried to become like them in front of them. I would talk to him about bridge and golf and politics and neckties. That means he would talk about everything that is realistic in life but not fanciful. And the grown-up would be greatly pleased to have met such a sensible man. So, and the grown-ups were very happy to meet such a sensible man like the author. So I lived my life alone, without anyone that I could really talk to, unless I had an accident with my plane in the desert of Sahara 6 years ago. So he is mentioning this time frame 6 years ago, from the time when he has written this story. Okay, so he finally started living lonely, alone, without talking much to anyone, until his plane met with an accident in the Sahara desert 6 years ago, from the time he has written the story. Something was broken in my engine. Something was there which was broken in the engine. And as I had with me neither a mechanic nor any passengers, I set myself to attempt the difficult repairs all alone. So because he was not accompanied by anyone, he had to repair the plane all by himself. It was a question of life and death for me. Why? Why was it a question of life and death for him? Because he had scarcely enough drinking water to last a week. So he had drinking water which could last only for a week with him. The first night then I went to sleep on the sand. So he slept on the sand, 1,000 miles from any human habitation. So it was far, far, far away from human habitation. I was more isolated. Isolated means feeling alone or unhappy than a shipwrecked sailor. Shipwrecked means when a ship gets distracted in the sea by breaking it or by sinking, it is called shipwrecked. On a raft, and raft is a type of boat when logs are tied together and it's sailing on the water, it's called a raft in the middle of the ocean. So he was even feeling alone and isolated than a shipwrecked sailor. Thus, you can imagine my amazement, means surprised. He was surprised. At sunrise, when I was awakened by an odd little voice. So he was surprised that in the morning when he was awakened by a soft and a childlike little voice. Okay. It said, "If you please draw me a sheep." So the little voice asked him to draw him a sheep. What? He was surprised that how come this boy is asking him to draw a sheep, and from where did the boy come? Draw me a sheep. But he was as a little child comes and be after something, keeps on telling. So this child was also like that. He was after the narrator to draw him a sheep. I hope it's clear till here, children. I have sent you the word meanings. So please write down the word meanings in the books and some of the word meanings are highlighted. Copy those highlighted word meanings in your English literature notebook. There are 5 to 6 make sentences. Please do the make sentences also in your English literature notebook. Okay, children?